Use the wooden spoon to cross the pit.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Yay! Chocolate! Chocolate! Yay! Chocolate! Uh-oh!
Use the wooden spoon to cross the pit. Uh-oh! Cowie ran out of paint.
Yay! Chocolate!
Uh-oh! Cowie ran out of paint.
Chocolate!
Uh-oh! Cowie ran out of paint.
Chocolate!
Uh-oh! Cowie ran out of paint.
Yay! Chocolate!
Let's find flour.
Flower! Yippee! Flower!
Get out of the honey.
Yay! Flower! Yay! Flower! Yippee! Yay! Flower!
Let's find milk.
Yay! Milk! Yippee! Ooh!
Uh-oh! Honey!
Yay! Milk! Milk! Yippee! Milk!
Let's find eggs.
Yay! Egg! Yay! Egg! Yippee!
Oops! We don't want that ingredient.
Egg!
Let's find strawberries.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to the kitchen. A potato. Let's feed Elliot. A potato. Yeah, you're doing great. Tofu. Let's feed Elliot. Tofu. Yay, well done. Broccoli. Let's feed Elliot. Broccoli. Yeah, you're doing great. A red pepper. Let's feed Elliot. A red pepper. Congratulations! Shrimp. Let's feed Elliot. A carrot. Delicious! Thank you! Shrimp. Congratulations! A mushroom. Let's feed Elliot. Let's feed a mushroom. Delicious! A tomato. Let's feed Elliot. A tomato. You are a fabulous chef. Uh-oh, the store's a mess. Let's clean it up. We need to put the food in the right place. Let's sort all the food. Well done! Amazing! That's not where it belongs. Put it in the refrigerator for vegetables. Well done! Amazing! Yay, you did it!
Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients: sugar, milk, flour, egg, butter. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Chocolate icing. Add your favorite toppings. Chocolate cookies. Sparklers. Vanilla cookies. Umbrella. Billy. Bobby. Cowie. Elliot. Lisa, Ricky, Lisa. Chocolate cookie, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate, white chocolate, candies, banana. Help Elliot get to the food. Take Elliot to the fish. Yay! Fish. Take Elliot to the rice. Yay! Rice. Take Elliot to the milk. Yay! Milk. Take Elliot to the egg. Yay! Egg.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.
That was fun!